Hey everyone, welcome back to another Animal Fusion video. Been a while since we dipped our toes into one of these, but in honor of Katelyn McCaige's Monster Compendium contest, you guys are getting an extra bonus video for this week besides the one due early next month. Just a heads up, please excuse the recording setup jump that happens pretty early on in the video. I started off working on my other computer with my drawing tablet before working on it further on my home display over the weekend. I was trying to remember the setup purely off by memory and it kinda didn't quite work as well. The Create a Monster competition called to fuse 2 or more animals, and going off the top of my head, I wanted to try something with wolf. I know, Trixks is on wolf overload at the moment, but I can't help myself. I can indulge, so I do. Playing around with a few random animals, I really like the look of the horned owl. The coloring and the tufts of feathers above its brow really hooked me. So 2 animals down, I wasn't really satisfied that that would be an interesting enough challenge. So diving into my Discord, my fellow members threw some suggestions my way. And thanks to an old New Zealander's big mouth, and with a majority vote, the 3rd animal that was picked was my very own Tuatara. Basically a mini dinosaur we have in New Zealand. Gorgeous creatures, but hell, I was a bit stumped at first. I knew the wolf and owl features I wanted to highlight, but it took a bit of time to get a clean enough idea out of my head in terms of fitting the Tuatara into the mix, because it was fluffy, furry versus rough and scaly. Throwing ideas down and then taking a moment to doodle my sketchbook, I fine-tuned the design I wanted, and here's the result you see before you. The anatomy gave me a hard time for a bit, as I've never drawn a lizard or parts of a lizard like this before, and then the perspective was messing me up a bit, but I reckon it turned out alright in the end. A bit on the chunky side, but let's attribute that to the Tuatara's influence, please.
Take it over, move your shoulder, make it go away. Learn to listen from depression after all these years. Take it back, it's mean, it's black, you knocked me down to tears.
I really pushed the coloring to highlight the patterns featured in the owl and wolf, and I think I settled on a pretty good middle ground. Truly gorgeous coloring, and I think I might tackle this piece and creature again sometime in the future. Just as a really good idea to play with how my techniques develop in the future. I experimented with a few new brushes and landscape style, but definitely wanted the creature to stand out as much as possible while I worked on my depth of field and color balance. Overall, I'm really happy with the final result. Hope you guys enjoyed the ride. This creature I've dubbed the Woltara is now available as a print or high-res download on my store Envy. You'll find the link in the description below. Oh, and don't forget to check out or help spread the word about my Patreon. Pledge as little as $1 a month and you get early access to my artwork, process imagery, and a shout out in my videos, as well as access to my YouTube videos before they officially release. All these benefits and more await you, so please consider helping me take a step closer to becoming a full-time illustrator and YouTube content creator. Please and thank you! Thanks for watching everyone. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to click that like button or leave a comment below. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. I upload every fortnight, and feel free to check out some of my other videos in the meantime. See ya!